Hi guys, welcome back. This is my next video and this is basically van racking and what works for me. Now I build my racking so it takes the particular brand that I like using, which is Masterful. So with that, everything here is literally ready to pull out each section. Easy boxes, easy way to store, and also there is a trick to this. When I'm not on site, I take this racking out of the van and I put it in my workshop in this space. The simple reason for that is, if I do need to go back on site, I put this all back in the van, screw it down, 5 or 6 screws into its place, and I've got all racking. I'll show you that system in the van. Bear with, you shall see. So down the left hand side of the van, all the racking is floor to ceiling for everything small and everything that I use day to day as a carpenter. Now down this side I have got maximum space. I can fit plasterboard straight on the floor, flooring straight on the floor, OSB straight on the floor, or even stand it up and stack it. As you can see up there, there's a bit of 3x2 fixed to the van chassis with a couple of L brackets, and that is simply how that racking over there slides in and fits straight in that spot in the van, so I can go on site and I've got my mobile joinery shop. So as you can see, it's ready and I can use it at all times. But when it's not in action, instead of driving around with all the kit in the back, I take it out and I put it over there in the workshop. Just to demonstrate, Ruben's going to jump in. Future carpenter here. And he can show you how big the van is, because he's miles away now. But the simple reason for taking that racking out is I'm not having tens of thousands of pounds worth of kit stored in the van all the time. So we just take it out when we don't need it, and when we don't need it, we put it over in our workshop and it's ready to come back in the van if and when we need it. So that is my van racking. I always do it out of birch ply or a hardwood Chinese ply because it seems to last. I don't spend any more money than that. There's some guys out there that, you know, go for all this really expensive types of ply and stuff like that. That's just all very well, but at the end of the day, this is where you earn your money from. So, you know, it's got to be robust and strong, but it doesn't have to look pretty as long as it works for you. And that's my van racking. On the previous YouTube videos, you would have seen the racking all installed. So if you go back a couple of videos, you will see that all in situ and all upright and all fixed to the chassis. So that's my van racking. It works for me, it works for Festool, and it's very, very cost effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and have a good day. Peace out.